ready to shine it. You got it?
Go. Get it. Here.
Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Another job, guys. I'm a guide fisherman. I'm a land-based fisherman. But I'm also working Cosway bait and tackle at 645 South Padre Island Drive, SPIP, guys. Follow me in the shop. We got all of your speckled trout leaders, redfish leaders, so on and so forth, floats. We got wire, we got shark rigs, we got black drum leaders that are made in-house. We got the lemon rigs, guys, that everybody talks about. We got MJ behind the counter. How's it going, everybody? We got bait, we got sunglasses, guys. We got reels, combos, all the way around the whole store. We got shrimp buckets with aerators on it. We got aerators. We also have hooks, variety of lures, drinks, nets, a little bit of everything inside the store, guys, basically to get you all fishing and do whatever y'all need to do. But follow me out. We also have live bait. Guys, we have live shrimp. Perfect size shrimp, guys. For them speckled trout, reds, whatever you guys fish for, sheephead, mangroves, everything, guys. We go to the back. We have large blue crab. We have pin perch. Mud minnow, more live shrimp. We got the live sea life, guys. And we have tons of frozen bait, mullet, ladies, skipjack. We got basically everything, finger mullet, stingrays for your shark fishermen out there. We got, as well as bonita, jacks, stuff like that, guys. I mean, anything that you need to go to the beach and land that monster toothy critter, we have it here at Cosway. So guys, please, if you like the content of this video, like, subscribe, comment, and if you guys are interested in coming by here, it's $2 a person, $2 a pole. And until the next time, to the next fish, guys, Captain Eric says thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.